Good afternoon. New parts have arrived. Bottom arm bushes and bottom arms. Literally just taking them off now. Got it jacked up. Them rusty old things there are coming off. New ones are going on. New bushes at the back. And there she is all on. I will try and video the other side. So now I've done one, I've got a bit more time to play with. So there's the bottom arm done with all the bushes. I'll try and video the other one when I do it. Right, got this old arm off. I was going to film it all, but it's been a pain and it looks like rain. Right, I'm taking this bush off here now. And there's the new arm, and I will show you when I've fitted it. Right, I've also added some grease to this because it does move around on that. And if I ever have to take it off again, it's easier. And this goes on with dimples that way. And you get your washer, which is slightly dished, goes on that way. Big nut, tighten that on. Alright, just set that up, sort of show you how it all goes back. First of all, we get this one through here. That's a long 18. Put it somewhere near. Oh, and get your bolt. Through to the captive nut outside. Go. Put the gun on it. Turn it up loosely to start with. Got the ball joint in. Start the nut on that. And over the back, I've got two long 15 bolts. Check again, put in loosely to start with, start with your hands, and you know they're not cross threaded. Then everything can be tightened right up. That's that one. Can do this by hand, you don't have to use a gun, but I've got one, so it saves arms, legs, aches, pains and stuff. Two back 15s. messing with the bar. Get it tight. And your back nut. Move over to this one, which is a 21 on the bottom of the ball joint, which you have to do with a spanner. Bottom one is a 21, front one's an 18, and the back one's a 15s. Oh. And that is the bottom arm replaced. So let's just put the wheel back on, clean up, take it for a test drive. And there she is, all back together. I am now going to take it for a test drive and see how she performs now. See if the squeaky's gone and the cronky's gone. The squeaky might still be there because I think that might be the top mount, which is rubber, so that sort of makes sense. So, right, real time, here we go. She feels smooth so far. No dinky doinks over the bumps. They were the genuine bottom arms from 2005. They had Land Rover printed on them. So I'm guessing they're original. So 92,000 miles later. They ain't done bad for a set of bottom arms with the ball joints and the rubbers. Let us see. So far, so good. Nice and smooth. Nice and quiet so far. No, I've still got that on that side, which will probably be, like I say, the top mount. But it feels a hell of a lot better on the road. A hell of a lot tighter. Hear that again. That is definitely the strut, which is going to get changed soon. Next job I'm going to do though is the front brakes, because the pads are getting low and the discs are a little bit worn, so But when you consider it's just general wear and tear bits, there's nothing major with it. But this definitely drives a lot better. A lot quieter. You can normally tell when you've done ball joints because the dinky donkey knocky's gone, which I had before, which a lot of it was the drop links on the front, but it is definitely a lot quieter over the bumps now. There's no dinky doink, which I was getting before. I will be changing the front suspension shocks to come as a strut actually, and the top mounts. And I'm contemplating on putting a 30mm lift kit on it as well, just gives it a bit more height and stance. We should see. But yeah, you go over a bump there and you get a dink donk, which is normal, not a doinky doink, if you know what I mean. But yeah, very pleased. It's nice when you change bits and it makes a difference. It's sometimes when you change a bit that's worn, it makes no difference, but you still got to change it because it's worn. But yeah, that's great. Very, very pleased. Bottom arms for this were from Landrover Spares, where I got my other bits from, and they were £76 for the pair, and the two big new bushes that go on the back as well. Which is a great price. And, I've had stuff from them before, and it's a reliable company on eBay. Well, I ordered them Wednesday night and they come this morning, Friday. So you can't argue with that for delivery. And they are from up north somewhere. So I've ordered stuff locally before now and it's been 5 days. Seems crazy, doesn't it? You order something from all the way up north, from Manchester area, and it'll get here within 2 days. And you order something from around the corner, because it's mail order only and you can't pick it up, and it takes 5 days. Still. Anyway, I'm waffling. Like, share, subscribe. This was Betty the Freelander. Another job jobbed, another job done. Cracking on, as we say. And I will catch you all very soon. And it is now not looking like rain, even though it's cloudy over there. We've got beautiful blue skies and sun. Catch you all later from a sunny Kent.